So it does look a bit different. How you doing, mate?
Yeah, good. How was your trip?
Yeah, good.
Good stuff.
Full of what was it? Top Gear said, lazy fat Mexicans or whatever it was. He upset me. No, to be honest, the people out there were lovely, absolutely lovely.
Good.
So, right. So Owen, tell me what you've done. You've done a lot. So talk us through the outside. So garage has come down clearly.
Garage is down.
And what are we doing here?
This will be a driveway.
Yep.
Hopefully get 2 cars in here. New fence down the back.
And again, that's because the big problem around here was parking. So.
Yeah. That coal bunker we're going to knock down at some point.
Yep.
Probably not until we've broken that concrete. Let's get a machine in and tidy up all of this mould and get that dug out.
Looks so much bigger now, doesn't it? It's quite a big plot. Let's just have a look out the front quickly. Then we'll go inside. Even the side, I mean, the difference. This is going to be a very nice. The front's huge. Never realised just how big this plot was. Right, let's try to trip over. Oh, we got moles, or were they? Oh, they were trees, weren't they? Little bushes. Right, so just tell me, what's the plan for the front?
Dig out that bit of concrete we stood on.
Yep.
It's a hump in it.
Yep.
Probably going to just put a new path in down
Yep.
to the end. I don't know. It makes sense to keep the path in, but that's a lot of slabs. Dig out, there was a pond there, to dig all the concrete out of that, and then just grade the garden off.
Yep.
Get a rotavator in.
Just a nice look at. I just think it's such a lovely little front.
Put a fence through here.
Yep.
Gate. Grass seed. That's a gate.
Yeah, and it's got quite a sun trap as well, isn't it, from the afternoon?
Yeah.
And we said, didn't we, that you not that we're going to do it, but if someone bought this, putting a little set of doors into the other bedroom over there onto here, it'd be a lovely little sun trap. Right, show us the inside. Oh, blimey, you have been busy. So just go through this with me. So kitchen's going to be squared off to where?
The wall goes through there.
Okay, so that's bigger than Nan's. So Nan's is round the corner.
Yeah.
Same, well, we thought the same style bungalow, but it's this is quite a bit bigger, isn't it?
Yeah. Shower there.
So you're not going to take that cupboard out, you're going to keep the cupboard?
I think I'm going to keep it.
Yeah.
I think I've decided we're going to keep it.
Yeah.
Shower's going to go through there all the way in that enclosure.
Yeah.
Toilet, I think I'm going to have to move to this wall.
Yeah.
And put it there so that then we can have the basin here.
Yeah.
And it not feel really enclosed.
But that'll make the shower size quite a big room, won't it?
The shower will be quite big, and it'll be so you like with a glass panel here, so you'll walk around it. Which
Yeah.
I think I've got to move the toilet to make that work. And there's no thing you want. The toilet can't go in the middle because of drainage. So I think basin will then go here, so you can have a mirror above it, and then put the radiator here, and then it's just a case of which way the door opens. Would you open the door that way, but then it's going to hit against the glass there, but you've still got loads of space here?
Yep.
Or do you open it that way all the way around and cover the radiator? Don't know. But then it comes to about here by the time the door's open, so you've still got enough space for the basin. Just what will make it feel a bit bigger.
Yeah.
You know, get wall up first.
And then just kitchen, where are you going to put everything? What's your thoughts on the kitchen?
Oven goes here, sink goes there. Fridge
Sink
goes in the corner.
Okay. What, a tall fridge freezer sort
They've
of.
got like a metre cupboard with a bit and some wall cabinets.
So you've still got a lot of cupboard space.
So yeah, and then I think I'll keep these. I might come up with a clever idea because we'll be replacing the doors in the property. Depending on what doors we go, if we go with the ones with the lines in them, I might try and make some MDF doors and router the lines in them so they match.
Yeah.
The problem with these cupboards
Has Del Boy got no Louvre doors?
No. The problem with these cupboards is if you put a normal door liner in, you can never get to the top shelves. So the shelves need...
Of course.
The doors need to go all the way to the
top, yeah.
So that you can actually use it as shelving. Otherwise, you need to have a much bigger cupboard to make it
it
work.
practical.
But those doors never then match, and it just looks like something... I don't know. We've changed out the electrical, plumbing obviously, changed the rads, messing around with that. Probably going to move that rad over, same in the master bedroom, so that the door can swing the other way round. put the switch in the other side, try and make the room a bit bigger.
Now, if you and Tristan were to move in, which one's your bedroom?
Don't know. We'll fight for it.
You could flick a coin. Surprised how big this room is now. It's clear, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll probably rip that fireplace out, put an electric fire in like we did last time.
Oh, well, like properly inbuilt.
Yeah. Yeah.
They look good, and they're just no hassle at all. Then let's be honest, you've got central heating, then, haven't you?
You've got central heating. It's only a secondary anyway, so.
Yeah, it's more for show.
So, yeah. Just got to finish clearing it out.
And then porch, we're just going to leave as it is.
Yeah, probably.
Not going to knock that down, and we. Yeah, okay. So
keep the same layout. If you could take it out and just have it so that you walk into one big open room, but.
Yeah, for the work, is it? And some people will be able to put their shoes somewhere, and
you never really get that much.
And then main bedroom.
Basically as it is.
Yeah, there's no real difference. But again, we're sort of saying that you could put a set of doors in there, going onto a lovely little sun trap patio. You could do the same on the other side, just here. But again, is you and Tristan would want more parking. No, I think you've done really well. All right.